Welcome back. The topic is shift instructions. There are various shift instructions in our computers. So some of them are listed here, and we will be discussing 2-3 operation in the next part of the video. So the first operation is logical shift right. How to perform logical shift right? The short notation for logical shift right is SHR operation. So let's see how can we perform logical shift right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 shift right. So okay, shift right, copy this here. So 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, and here nothing is here to be copied, so it will be 0. So in logical shift right, we will move one bit in our right hand side and just put the first bit as 0. Logical shift left and arithmetic shift left both are same, and it simply means multiplication by 2, and the short form of logical shift left is SHL, arithmetic shift left is SHL, A for arithmetic. So let's do that. Now we are shifting left side, so first draw. So 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, and it will be equals to 0. This is how logical shift left and arithmetic shift left works. In logical shift right, we move our bits in right hand side. In logical shift left, we move our bits in left hand side. Now arithmetic shift right. The short form for arithmetic shift right is SHRA. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now shifting right, so shift them as like this: 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, and this will be copied here. So you have seen how arithmetic shift right works. Copy all the bits and then put first bit as it is. Move all the bits to right hand side, and copy first bit as it is, moving these bits on RHS and copying first bit as it is. Now rotate left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to rotate it left side here, so this will come here 0, and now everything will be so 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Let me check them all are correct or not, then we will see more options. Okay, 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, this is correct. 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, yeah, it is also correct. Arithmetic shift left 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, this is also correct. And yeah, 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, this is rotate left. We can also see rotate right here in this. Let me write it, so please copy it, then I will discussing rotate right through carry and rotate left through carry after erasing it. So we have discussed 4 shift instruction, which are rotate left, shift right, shift left, arithmetic shift right, arithmetic shift left. 5 instruction we have discussed, remaining 3 are here. Rotate right, ROR. So let's rotate it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. if you make these arrows, then it will be easy for you to do this type of questions, and this one will come here. This is how rotate right works. Now rotate right through carry. So let's have one carry, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rotate. You might have guessed what to do. 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, and this will come here. Okay, now this rotate left है ना, left, so this 0 will be here. Zero, 0 1 0 1. Okay, let me check them and then we will complete this video. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, this is correct. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, this is also correct. And rotate left through carry 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this is how there are 8 types of shift instruction, which are, I am naming them: shift left, shift right, arithmetic shift left, arithmetic shift right, rotate left, rotate right, rotate left through carry, rotate right through carry. We have discussed them all. Please watch video 1 to 2 times, and you will be know it easily how to perform this type of operations. Thank you very much.